When designing or updating a home, space efficiency matters just as much as style. In many homes, window placement can affect furniture arrangement, walkway flow, and overall functionality. That's where slider windows stand out. With their sleek horizontal operation and minimal footprint, slider windows offer a practical, space-saving solution. For homeowners in Mandeville, this window style fits naturally into a variety of layouts while maintaining comfort, ventilation, and visual appeal. A smart design for tight spaces. Unlike windows that swing outward or inward, slider windows operate along a horizontal track. In Mandeville homes where patios, walkways, or landscaping sit close to exterior walls, this design eliminates the need for clearance space. Because the window doesn't protrude outward, it avoids interference with outdoor areas while preserving full functionality. Indoors, the horizontal sliding motion also means no interior space is taken up by opening sashes. Ideal for narrow wall openings, some rooms feature limited vertical wall space but wider horizontal areas. Slider windows are well suited for these dimensions. In Mandeville residences, they can be installed in bedrooms, kitchens, or living areas where traditional window styles might not fit proportionally. Their wide, low-profile shape complements long wall sections while maintaining balance and symmetry. Supporting flexible furniture placement. Window style can influence how you arrange your furniture. Because slider windows don't require swing clearance, homeowners in Mandeville have greater flexibility when placing couches, tables, or shelving near windows. This makes them particularly useful in rooms where every square foot counts. The streamlined design supports practical interior planning without sacrificing natural light. Enhancing ventilation in compact areas. Despite their space-saving design, slider windows still provide effective airflow. When opened, one pane slides past the other, creating a generous ventilation opening. In Mandeville homes, this allows fresh air to circulate through rooms without requiring additional space for window operation. The simple sliding mechanism also makes them easy to use for homeowners of all ages. Maximizing natural light. Slider windows typically feature large glass panels. In Mandeville layouts where maintaining brightness is important, these expansive panes allow abundant natural light to enter. The result is a brighter, more open atmosphere, even in smaller rooms. This added daylight can make compact spaces feel more spacious and inviting. Low maintenance operation. The straightforward track system makes slider windows easy to maintain. Homeowners in Mandeville appreciate the simple design, which minimizes mechanical components while providing reliable operation. Routine cleaning and maintenance keep them functioning smoothly for years. A clean, modern look. Slider windows offer a sleek, contemporary appearance. Their horizontal lines complement both modern and traditional architectural styles in Mandeville neighborhoods. With minimal framing and wide glass surfaces, they create a clean exterior aesthetic while enhancing interior views. Supporting energy performance. Modern slider windows are designed with improved ceiling and multi-pane glass options. In Mandeville homes, this supports consistent indoor temperatures while preserving the window's space-saving benefits. A practical choice for functional living. Every home layout is unique, and choosing the right window style makes a difference. For homeowners in Mandeville, slider windows provide an ideal balance of space efficiency, ventilation, and visual appeal. Their horizontal design fits neatly into tight areas, supports flexible furniture placement, and maximizes natural light, all without compromising comfort. If you're looking for a window solution that enhances both function and style, slider windows are a smart fit for modern Mandeville layouts.